Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we will see this Konava stainless steel Paneer Maker or Tofu press. And the capacity is you can make 500 ml means half liter milk with half liter milk. You can make paneer. So this is the one of the easiest process. The traditional process, many people use a cloth to drain the paneer, okay, while making the paneer process. But this, it would be easy even for the cleaning or perfect shape, you can say. So what you can do is you can just pour the paneer, whatever the milk, so you can pour it and keep the weight. I'll show you. Just I'll take the complete product here. So let me just open this. If you want bigger quantity, like if you are planning to make paneer of with 1 liter milk, you need to purchase a bigger size stainless steel paneer maker, and this is under 300 rupees. The user has purchased this under 300 rupees from the Flipkart. And anyway, at the end of the video, I'll show you the details. See here, this is how the actual product looks. This is the bottom plate, okay. From this also the water gets drained. So it's a simultaneous process. At the same time the water will be getting drained, at the same time we'll be keeping the weight on this lid, okay, not this plate. So yeah, so this would be easy for cleaning also, that I can say. Instead of the cloth, if you plan like this, this would be easy for the cleaning. So once you pour out the paneer into the drainer, you can keep the lid here, and on top of it you can keep weight and leave it like that. So once it gets solidified, means it gets in hard consistency, then you may keep it in refrigerator or according to your wish, okay. Maybe in the upcoming video, the next video, immediately of this next video, maybe I can show you how the user is preparing paneer or how the user is making paneer. If you want the making video, just check in the description or the first comment, and if you want the making video, please do ask in the comments. And even if you want the review of this product also, this paneer maker, stainless steel paneer maker, how it would be after 2 to 3 months, you can just ask in the comments. Then I'll be posting a review video on this, and the price details, to be precise, when I check this product on the Flipkart, it is showing something like 298 rupees. Yes, and the main reason user has purchased this is this got 4.5 rating. That's the reason user has shown interest. See here, capacity is 500 ml and the type is of square shape, and colander means which strains and you can keep the weight, okay. Pack of 1 paneer maker square 500 ml stainless steel material, and the material is, the build quality is decent, not that great, okay. But yeah, maybe once the user uses this for at least 2 to 3 months, then we can comment like whether it is totally rust free and how is the performance, how is the paneer making process by using this product. Everything we can comment in the coming video, and please do ask in the comments.